Just a brief tutorial to lead you through signing up for Canva. You will receive an invitation, or you can go to our Moodle page and click the link. If you receive the invitation in your email, you're just going to click join the class and it will bring you here, and you can sign up however you would like. Uh, Email would make the most sense so that we can use this for our class. However, I am using a different email than email because I already have an account under my regular email, so I am using this one. And I want you to sign up for a free account. There is no reason for you to have to pay for it. So once you sign up, then you will come here and you will see that there is classwork for you. And so right now there's nothing to put in there, but you can see that there's classwork. I've already created a brand kit for our first client that we're doing social media management for in our innovation and social media class. So that's in there. And we'll also get some more information in there for other clients. For instance, for the copywriting class, we'll get brand information in there. And then for a later client in innovation and social media. But that is all that you need to do to sign up for Canva and be a part of our class. Oh, before I stop, actually, let me go ahead and show you that if you are in Moodle, you'll notice I have linked to Docmo Education Canva, so you could click this instead of going from an email. And here it already has me signed in as J Blands, and so there's that J up there that shows that I'm already in here, but it would be the same basic process. All right, hope to see you in Canva soon. Remember, I'm asking you to sign up for Canva and Adobe Spark, and you can choose which ones you like best to create work, or you can use a more deluxe program, but these are just great little resources to learn.